Here I have Samsung Galaxy M01 Core, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Settings, then go to the Apps and Notifications section, then go to the Notifications, and here you have Do Not Disturb. You can switch it here. You can also change some of its settings. For example, you can hide visual notifications here, hide when screen is on, don't pop up notifications. And you can also add exceptions to this mode. For example, it could be calls from anybody, from contacts only, from favorites contacts only, from nobody. The same goes to messages. There's also an option to repeat callers, allow calls when they're receiving from the same person number more than once within 15 minutes, something like that. And you can also add alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, calendar events, and reminders to the exceptions. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.